Doon ako sa malalim. Birthday. So, nag-propane na din na. Can I? Okay. Ta-da! It's a Lego set. You like Lego friends? Let's
Basahin mo naman yung sabi ni Tita Earth.
ay basa ito.
Sige, basahin mo.
To Mary Levine, happy birthday, Ate Liv, from Elisa.
Wow. Open ang gifts.
No! Frozen cooking set. Bit yan.
Uy, that's bad ha.
Oops. Just joking, I love it.
Good. Oh, what will you say?
Thank you po. Mommy, can I open this Lego set? No?
Okay.
Can I?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Open.
Oh, will you?
To what we all see? Do you like the cooking set?
Mama's gift is to follow.
My grandma's gift is to follow. Why? Tada! Yay!
Ano?
It's an ice cream set.
Paabot mo nga ma yung ano.
Thanks for all for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!